Do you ever look up from your screen and feel a pang of loneliness even in a crowded room, feeling more connected to your phone than to the people right in front of you? You're not alone. It's the great paradox of our time. We've never been more digitally connected, yet many of us feel more isolated than ever. We're all grappling with how to foster authentic human connection in a world dominated by screens. But what if technology wasn't just the problem, but also part of the solution? This video offers a hopeful look at a future where genuine relationships flourish, showing how to use tech as a bridge to deeper connections and build that future today. By 2025, our world is saturated with digital interfaces. They're not just tools, they've become the very architecture of our daily lives, fundamentally reshaping how we interact with each other and the world around us. We'll examine the paradox at the heart of this new reality, the subtle, almost invisible ways our screens create a profound sense of distance, even as they promise to bring us closer. This has fueled a rise in social anxiety and a deep-seated feeling of isolation. But it's also a call to action, to use technology intentionally, balancing our digital lives to foster the deeper human connections we truly crave. Exploring emerging technologies like haptics and advanced VR/AR that offer more immersive yet still mediated experiences. Discussing the psychological impact of truly being there versus spectating through a screen. Forecasting how brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, might offer direct non-visual communication. Highlighting the growing movement towards digital detoxes and in-person experiences. Showcasing innovative community models and physical spaces designed for authentic interaction. The renewed appreciation for tactile experiences, shared meals, and face-to-face conversations. Imagining a world where digital tools enhance, rather than replace physical presence. Examples of seamless transitions between virtual collaboration and in-person meetups. How AI could personalize social recommendations to foster genuine connections, both online and off. So, how do we cultivate these deeper bonds? It begins with prioritizing quality over quantity. Instead of chasing a vast network, focus your energy on nurturing a few key relationships that truly matter. This requires intentional communication and active listening. Whether you're texting or talking face-to-face, be fully present. Put distractions aside and listen to understand, transforming simple exchanges into genuine connections. The future of connection isn't about ditching technology, but using it wisely. Leverage it to schedule meaningful video calls or plan real-world meetups. By using tech as a bridge, not a barrier, we can foster more authentic relationships that enrich our lives.